Hi, Kathy here from Kathyskutekreations. Today, I got another one that my granddaughter ordered me, a pink Purrmaid pillow. And so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna sew this totally different than I did in the mock live, because I want people that feel like they can't do it because it's too hard to be able to do it. Okay, so we have them all pinned and we're ready to sew. We're going to begin an inch from the end of the fabric. I am doing a 2.5 inch length. I'm leaving my pins in for this video's sake. And then once it's finished, I cut my thread. Oh, this is backwards for some people, but I'm doing about a 1/8 inch. I came to the other side. I'm just going to slowly put my seam on here. Turn it if I have to. All the way to the edge and off. There we go. Take it out. And now I'm going to go back over the part that I sewed and do the entire thing. Cut it, and that's it. Here's where we're going to clip around the edges of the ears and the paws. Be sure and not clip through your seam, and the reason we're doing this is so that it will lay down flat when we turn it right side out. Okay, it all looks good. There's an opening in the bottom for our stuffing, and now we're going to turn it right side out. Here they're all stuffed and ready to be sewn. Now see the two splits? That's where you're going to be pinning the ear so that it ends up looking like this. And we're going to pin it. There you go. Now I've pinned it. And if you notice, it's pinned. This is on the reverse side now. Now here I went ahead and I've pinned the back and the front, wrong sides together. This is the beginning part, just to show you, see? And so therefore I went ahead and I pinned the whole thing, left my opening, which is what I'm showing you there. I'm going to flip it over so you can see the back. And there you go. It's got lots of pins to keep it from moving. Okay, here I am starting to sew it. I'll show the whole process. Back it into place here because this is where the opening is to do the stuffing, and I wanted to reinforce it. I'm going to reinforce it here because this is the other side where the opening's at. There he is, all done. And there's your little tail. That's the front side. Here's my little, where's my little opening at? There's my little opening. The stuffing.